What? Have dinosaur? Oh, so this here is has maybe a lot of animal we can find here. Now let's go to the find animal, dinosaur, dogs, and dinosaur. Oh, it has a lot of animal. Oh, so what is it? Wow. Oh my God, what is it? Oh, wow. One more. Okay, find it more. Wise animal, it have a lot of here. Oh my God, what happened? Oh, what happened? Oh, what is it? Wow, it is very good. Okay, find it more. Wow. Okay. Oh, wow. It is here. Okay. What is it, guys? It is what its name is, guys. Was I don't know. Can you tell me? Okay. Wow. Oh. Okay. Oh. Two is here. Okay. Dinosaur. Wow. Dinosaur. Okay. It's one more. Oh my God. One more. Oh. Oh. Find it. Wow. Oh, what? Have dinosaur? Okay, always it's age of dinosaur. Oh my God. Ah, no, go away, go away. Oh, have it. Ah, it have a lot out here. Okay. Oh, dinosaur. Oh, this dog. Take out away. Okay, take it out. Keeps the egg from the always. Right. It's very good. Okay. Oh, real wise, real egg and dinosaur. Wise. Okay, 8 dinosaur. It is big. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it is small. 5, 6. Oh my God! It's broken from the wall. It is already so lost one egg from the wall. It okay. Keep your egg here. Keep your egg here. Right? Don't go away again. And keep your egg from the walls, from the other animal. Right? Thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for watch more videos. Thank you very much.